Hi everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello everybody.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese dishes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we are making braised pork belly or dong bo yo.
Yes, don't bore you.
Alright, first off, I want to thank you to everyone who helped us reach 1,000 subscribers. I hope you all enjoyed our cooking as much as we have and hope to share more recipes with you. Anyways, braised pork belly or dong bo yo is a traditionally slow-cooked Chinese dish and it is incredibly rich and flavorful and will impress anyone, and that is a guarantee. I highly recommend trying this dish at least once and I promise it will be one of the most delicious pork dishes you will ever make. So, to start off, you will need cooking wine, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, oolong tea, pork belly, pepper, ginger, green onion, garlic, yellow rock candy, and chicken flavoring. Alrighty, now to prep. Just start smashing up 4 cloves of garlic and smash up 2 large knobs of ginger as well, and and also slice up 4 thin slices of ginger as well. Then for the green onions, cut them into thirds, and now let's prep our pork belly. Alright, for the pork belly, we're going to try to get rid of any extra hair that is on there. So first we're going to grab a knife and tilt it at an angle and try to shave off as much hair off as possible. It's okay if you can't get all of it, we're going to try to shave it again after we boil it. So once you quickly shaved it, we're going to cut it in half so we can fit it inside our pan. Alright, so let's grab the largest pan that we have and put some water in it and bring it to a boil. Once it's at a boil, put in your ginger slices in there and put your pork belly in there with the skin side facing down. Then grab another large bowl and fill it with cold or ice water and have it ready on the side. Then after about a minute, turn the pork belly over so the skin is facing up. Then let it cook in the water for about 2.5 minutes and then put the pork belly into the cold water. This will stop the cooking process and let the pork cool down. So after about 5 minutes, take the pork out and we're going to shave off any excess hair again one last time and give it a good rinse in the water. Afterwards, we're going to trim off the sides for a more square shape for presentation. Then on the bottom of the pork belly, score it 4 ways about 1/2 inch to 1 inch deep to make 4 squares at the bottom. And now we're going to do the same for the other pork belly. Alright, now that we're done prepping the pork, let's grab a large pan again and we're going to turn the gas on low and then add your crushed garlic cloves, ginger, and green onion in there. Then lay the pork belly fat side down on top of the herbs. You don't need any oil for this because the pork belly has a lot of fat. So now we're going to add a few couple twists of pepper, 3 spoons of supreme soy sauce, 3 spoons of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 5 spoons of cooking wine, then about 8 cups of oolong tea until it's halfway through the pork belly. And you might ask, why add tea? Well, adding tea will get rid of any rubbery pork or bitter taste. And once the fluids are halfway up the pork, you're going to add a spoon of chicken flavoring and about a small cup full of yellow rock sugar. Now turn the gas on high and let it come to a boil. And once it's at a boil, flip the pork belly over so the skin side is facing up. Then you can baste the top of the pork belly with the sauce and let the pork belly continue boiling for another 10 minutes or so and then turn the gas back down and let it simmer for 2.5 hours. During this time, keep checking up on it every 20 to 30 minutes to baste the top of the pork belly and to make sure that there is enough fluid. If you see that the fluid is running out, just add a little bit more chicken stock or boiled water until it's been cooking for at least 2.5 hours and the sauce has been reduced to a syrupy consistency. We suggest letting it cook for at least 2.5 to 3 hours as it gets more delicious the longer it cooks. After 2.5 hours, it will look like this with a bubbling syrup all over it. Turn off the gas and grab a nice plate and put it right in the middle of it. Then you can grab some garnish or vegetables to plate around it and it's ready to serve. I hope you all enjoy it.
All right, let's see.
Okay.
All right. What's for dinner? Some dumpo-yo. Do you want some?
Oh, you never ask.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's eat.
Yeah. All right. See.
All right,
Yeah.
let's get you some pieces. Wow, it just cuts right through.
Yeah. Wow. Ooh. Yeah.
How soft that looks.
Really soft.
Cuts like butter. Yep, it's like butter.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. Yeah.
Anything?
Yeah. Just try. Ooh. Wow. Yeah. Ooh. See. Let's see. Wow.
It like
Yeah.
melts like butter.
Yeah.
Wow. And the flavor is so amazing. So savory.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
Tastes like home.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay.
everybody.
Bye bye.